Can I get your name?
My name is Kevin Foster.
All right, sir, we're seeing you this morning on some new felony charges. You've been charged with one count of domestic violence, attempted homicide, one count of domestic violence, aggravated assault by impeding airway. Now, sir, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney, and I'm appointing the public defender's office to represent you. You have an attorney seated beside you if you have any questions for this morning's hearing. Now, I've read the interim complaint, the pretrial services workup, as well as the state's recommendation. I see that the state is asking for a $500,000 bond. Mr. Terrace, did you wish to be heard any further?
Your Honor, the state's bond recommendation is based on the nature of the offense as well as the criminal history. It appears that the defendant has 6 prior convictions, lacks ties to Tucson, and does have an active MBCA flag.
Ms. Gadalitza?
Your Honor, I would note that he is low on the failure to appear scales. He was assessed at a level 1. He is employed full time, so I dispute the idea that he has no security to this. And the interim complaint states that there are inconsistencies. However, there do appear to be some consistencies as well. At this time, Mr. Foster still has the presumption of innocence. These are just allegations, and they're still missing information. If the court is not inclined to release him, I'm asking for a bond amount of $200,000.
All right, sir, I am going to order you be held on a $500,000 cash or secured bond. You will be supervised by pretrial services if you post that, and you'll need to comply with any directions they give you in terms of monitoring or treatment. You're not to commit any acts of domestic violence, possess no alcohol or drugs, and possess no firearms or weapons. Most importantly, sir, you are not to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case, and you're not to have any contact with where she lives or where she works. No contact means no contact even while you're at the jail, and it means no contact in any way, shape, or form. Do you understand?
Yes.
Your next court date is going to be a preliminary hearing on March the 26th at 1:30 in the afternoon. If you bond out of custody, you need to make that hearing or a warrant will issue. That's all for this morning, sir. You're excused.
Yes.
What?